Today I am going to make solve two problems. Uh, both of the two problems came previous years of Accenture coding questions. Actually, in Accenture recruitment process, in the coding part, there are two coding questions will come, and if you will pass that coding questions, clear like solve both the coding questions, then there is a high chance to be select for FSE or SE, full stack engineer or software engineer. And if you will solve daily around to 10 to 20 questions or 10 questions like previous year questions only, like if you complete all the previous year questions, then there is a high chance to solve in the exam as well. Actually, now currently I am working in the Accenture, so I know the process, and it is a very good company, so your growth is also matter here, and everyone will value if you know the coding and all. So from today onwards, I will upload all the previous year questions, like around 100 to 100 questions regularly. But one or two questions I will upload here. And if you will solve all the questions, then there is a high chance that you will solve both the questions. And if you will solve both the questions, then there is a high chance you will be getting selected. And along with that, if you will solve the coding questions, then the interviewer will like they will think that you know the coding, means you are good like in programming. So there is a high chance to be selected in the interview as well. So uh, not talking further, I'm going to start the questions. So first question came that as parameter the function accept two integrals m and n. Two integer it will accept one functions, and we need to print the sum of all numbers ranges from 1 to n, both incentive. Okay, 1 to n we have to, and that are not divisible by m, the first number which are not divisible by m, and also we need to provide the distinction between the sum of non-divisible integers and the sum of divisible integer. We need to find the integers which is divisible and non-divisible. Actually, we need to find the sum of their numbers. So if the input m is 6, n is 30, then output will be 25, because integers divisible by 6 are the first 6 are like till 30, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and integers which are not divisible by 6 are like all this number till 29. So sum is 375. So we need to divide from 375 to 90, which is non-divisible integers, to the sum of divisible integers. This distinction, that is difference between. So let's get started. I will solve the answer in Java 8 actually, so it will be helpful because you will not get all the answers in Java anywhere, and if you will solve Java, it will be plus point for you also in interview. So I am going to solve the first question. So I am going to make the class as a class name as a question one or anything. Question one. Yeah. So first I have to add the main like main method, which are the like shortcut is main, just control and space. You will get the whole thing. So for that we need to see the questions again. We need to take two integers m and n. So for that we have to scan first. Control space same, it will import automatically. Scanner new scanner, system.in. Now we have to take two integers. They told the first one is n, another one is m. Integer n equal to h dot next int and integer m equal to he dot next int. So like I will take two another numbers like which will divisible and non-divisible actually. Integer divisible number I will sum up here and non-divisible here. Sorry, I assign as 0 because if we'll uh, uh, s- if you will initialize any not initialize anything, then it will give compile time error later. So for that I initialize. So for that I have to create one like for loop which will go till m from 1. Okay, int I equal to 1. Sorry, I less than equal m I plus plus. So we need to find the divisible one first, then non-divisible one second. Okay. So if I percent of n, which is divisible by n, equal to 0, means it will divisible, then we have to save the plus equal. This means divisible equal to divisible plus I. It is the shortcut. Else non-divisible same plus equal I. Okay, so we need to print, sorry, we need to print same thing, the shortcut SYSO control space, you will get the answer. So we need to print the difference of no divisible to non-divisible or non-divisible to divisible. Okay, so I need to print the like divisibles one, absolute divisible actually. Match dot apps. In Java it will give the, if the answer will come in negative also, so it will give positive answer. So divisible minus non underscore divisible, non-divisible. So we'll run the code and let's see it will give the answer or not. So the first input is 6, second input is 30, 6 and 30. Sorry, my console is gone, so for coming this one I have to simply sorry for that, actually it will come here. Yeah, no need ASS, control to delete first, again run it. Yeah, two input here, one is 60, another is 30, so answer will be 285. It came 285. So it's very simple, you can try. It's very simple. First one is done. See, if you solve one problem there, then also there is a 99% chance you will go to the next round. If you solve both two, then there is a 90% chance you will get selected in the interview. You will get more marks. So this question is very easy, is done. And now coming to the second question. Write a function small large sum array which take an array which accepts array as a argument or parameter that performs the addition of the second largest elements from the even locations and odd locations also seven. So this basically here it is asking we have to give one array, then we need to like separate them in such a way that odd position numbers will be in the different array and even position number in the different arrays, and we will make we need to take the second largest elements of them. Okay, second largest elements in the sense the second larger one from the sub array or not sub array actually, the different array actually. So now coming to that this question I will solve by two methods. One is the like in one solution it will give the space complexity as order of n, another one is order of 1. So You will not get anywhere these answers in order of one. So please see the approach. It will very easy. Same. I will create the question to question to. Then again shortcut main. I have to add the main method first. main control space main. Then scanners control space. It will import automatically. See new scanner system.in. Okay, so here it is asking for taking one array which accept the array. So first we will take one array. For that we need to take the size of an array. Next int. So then we need to declare the one array with the size. Okay, this is done. So now we need to import, like add the elements in the array by using for loop. Sorry, int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Array always start from index 0. So array of I equal to g dot next int. Done. Array is taking done. So now coming to the main approach. Now we'll we'll take these two into the two separate array list. I will use array list because it will be easy for you guys, because otherwise it will be very lengthy, or it will give. If I will use normal array also, then it will work, but in some cases it will give the array index out of bounds or something else. Okay, so now I'm taking two list of arrays for even and odd. Okay, integer integer. Okay, so for list I have to import it first. For list and all, one import statement is sorry, import java dot util dot sorry dot start java dot import java dot util dot start. This is the default one for list. So I will create one even list and another odd list. New array list, another odd list. List of integer I should be capital. Sorry. Another one is list of integer odd list. Odd position number will be saved here. Yeah, done. Now simply we will just run a loop for loop, and sorry, we'll simply run one loop, and then what is this? I less than sorry array dot length and I plus plus. So now our task is to if I percent 2 equal to 0 means even position. This call even position. Then even list should add the area of I. Otherwise it will sorry. Otherwise odd list control space shortcut dot add area of I is done. So now we what we'll do, just to do the sorting, just simply sort the two list, uh, then we will just reverse the list. Collections dot sort of even list and collections dot sort the odd list. See, this even list will give the answer as if I'll say, if we'll give like this answer, okay, something like that, like increasing order, okay. Like this short collection short. So we need to find the second largest element. So I will reverse this one for your easy uses. Okay, collections dot reverse reverse of even list and odd list. Odd list. Sorry, reverse all came. Then it should be, yeah. Done, saved. And now we have to print the second largest elements. Means now it will print like this. There are five numbers, then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It will, sorry, not here. It will print like this. So we need to take this one, second element. So for that we have to print sys, sorry, so then even list dot get area index always start from 0, then second element will take 1, then odd, sorry, odd list dot get 1 means I took 1 because array always start from 0, index 0, so 0 1, second largest element should be in 1. So let's run the code and let's see. See the 6, one of these one put is 6 numbers and array element this one. Sorry, 6 and the elements, array elements are this one, 321754, 321754. So enter. The answer is 7. The answer is 7. Okay. Now same thing. If I will put 40796 or something, this is the 7. If I will run it again, sorry, if I'll run it again, if I will give size of array is 7 and also put the array elements, then it will give 10 as answer. See, answer is 10. Okay, this one is the approach one. This approach one, and this will give the time complexity of order of n and space complexity as well, order of n. So for that, time complexity should be order of n. Space complex, sorry, space complexity is also order of n. That's why we have to do like this. This space complexity should be order of 1. In such condition it will mention. So we just do it, practice. I'm removing all the things. Okay, so now I will do the second approach. In that will give the time complexity as order of n and space complexity should be order of 1 only. So for that I am to take a first equal to 0 and second equal to 0. First and second I took already. First and second, and also even second and odd second I have to take. Zero and odd of second I have to take 0. Control D, remove normally. So same way I will run one for loop. Integer I equal to 0, I less than array dot length I plus. I will iterate through the array, whole array. If I %2 equal to 0 means I will just go through the I will take only even numbers. In even numbers, I will find the second largest even number. I will take from here. Then like even second largest even number. So for that, I will run another if condition here. If array of I greater than the first element, then what will do? Second will be first. Okay, first element put second, then first will be the new one. First will be the new largest one. And else if area of I greater than second and area of I not equal to first. Is a simple same thing for finding the second largest element from array. Then area of I should become here. Okay, so I got the second largest like even number. So even second will be the second this format. Okay, so now I will do the same thing for odd number. Everything will be same, just condition will be different. So for that even and odd should be declare as 0 initial, sorry, not even first and second. Yeah, first and second, first and second. So already done. Same thing I will do here. Same thing. The code is lengthy, but it will give the space complexity less, not equal to 0. Everything will be same, just this one is the different. The condition will be the opposite. Everything will be same. And I will take the second odd here. Okay, even odd second equal to second. So now we have to take the sum of these two, then we'll get the answer easily. Same, even second plus odd second. That's it. It will give only order of n. Time complexity and space complexity is order of 1 because it does not store the values in any list or anywhere, array list or arrays or anything. So same example I will like input I will give and run the code. As a 7 number of array elements is 7 and put the array elements. See, answer is 10. Same for the first one. Number of input is 6, output will give 7. Output will give 7. 6 and paste here. This one output will be 7. So anyone you can work on. Anyone. Both are correct approach. You will get the all the test cases pass. It will all pass all the test cases. All the test. It will not fail in a single test cases because the time and space complexity is very less for this code. Like order of 1 is the very less space complexity. So I will post daily 2 or 3 questions in my YouTube channel. Just subscribe my YouTube channel. If you like, I already solved in the Accenture coding exam both the questions. I got the TCS, digital TCS, like digital and Accenture and CAPGEMINI and Publicis Sapient and all the like almost 7 or 8 companies I have cracked. and I'm currently doing the practicing the coding, so I thought I will make the videos for you guys. So, like I will upload all the videos previous year questions for Accenture, CAPGEMINI, like Infosys, Cognizant, TCS, NQT, TCS Digital, like TCS, NQT and TCS. Next exam also I gave, like I cleared like two questions came. I solved both the questions. So like I will upload all daily videos previous year question. These two questions came in the previous years of Accenture coding questions. So I will upload two or three more questions tomorrow also. So please subscribe my YouTube channel. You will get, if you solve all the questions, then there is a high chance you will get the same questions, or even like there's a 90% chance you will get the similar kind of questions. So you will easily like solve the questions in exams. So please subscribe my YouTube channel. Like you will even it will help you for self confidence also, like if you learn the things. And also I'll also update daily job update also. I'm thinking of that. So please follow my YouTube channel. Thank you.